Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss what are operators in Python. So before we start, I have something to tell you. Recently I have observed that many of our lovely audience has not subscribed to our channel yet. So I will request all of our lovely audience to subscribe our channel, as that motivates us to create more informative videos in future. I hope by now you have subscribed to our channel. So without any delay, let's get started. What are operators in Python? Operators are an indispensable part of any programming language. Operators in Python are symbols used to perform mathematical computations on variables and values, and also enables us to take decisions based on the output of a certain mathematical operation. If you are familiar with any programming language apart from Python, you already know that every programming language has their own sets of operators that helps you to perform mathematical computations. Likewise, Python also has a lot of different type of operators that helps you to accomplish your task. Okay, let's proceed. In this slide, we will discuss what are the different category of operators in Python. Operators in Python can be categorized under the following groups. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators. The last but not the least is the bitwise operators. Okay. The scope of this video is just to introduce you to the fact that Python contains operators, and they can be divided under 7 heads, and they are, as you can see on my screen, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Okay, so if you are interested to read more about operators in Python, I will post a link in the description section below. You can go and check it out. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you are thinking why I didn't discuss each type of operators now, so don't worry. Each of these operators will have their own individual video where I will not only discuss about those operators but also show you with some example. Okay, so if you think our video has helped you out, I would request you to like and subscribe our channel, as that will motivate us. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.